image quality. 0.3-inch CMOS sensor in 4K video at 100 Mbps. 12 MP HDR stills, 32 MP panoramas. ISO 100 to 1600 for video and stills, ISO 100 to 3200 for still and manual mode. Narrow ISO range doesn't affect image quality except in low light conditions. Of course, top flying tech and a stable gimbal amount to nothing if the built-in camera isn't up to the mark, and thankfully the Mavic Airs does not disappoint. The Air shares the same 0.3-inch CMOS sensor as the Mavic Pro, but has a narrower ISO range than its bigger brother, meaning it doesn't do as well in low light conditions. The Air is capable of shooting 4K video at up to 30 fps at a bitrate of 100 Mbps. Drop the resolution and it can capture 2.5K at 60 fps in Full HD at up to 120 fps for slow motion. Those specs are great, but it's the high bitrate that really makes the images pop with life, color and detail. In well-lit conditions, the Air's videos are crystal clear, with near-perfect saturation, and there's plenty of dynamic range to work with despite the small sensor size. In a gloomy setup we did lose some of that vibrancy, however, and our footage looked a tad washed out. Moreover, the gimbal helps keep everything we shot super stable, so even when the winds picked up and the drone got tossed around a bit, we couldn't tell from the video. While you can shoot 12 MP stills in HDR, the Mavic Air is also capable of taking panoramas. In addition to the horizontal, vertical and 180-degree panos, the Air can take a series of 25 shots of a scene, then stitch them together in camera to produce a 32 MP panoramic image.